subscribe or follow now. Let's draw the eyes. Draw his mouth. Draw his hair. Draw the strawberry stem. Let's draw the body. Draw the foot. Draw the tail. OW, draw the hands. Draw his ears. Draw his ears. The guy. Now, let's draw strawberry seeds. Wow, amazing! Time to color. Give color to the hair.